Good evening to all. The 20th research theme that we'll be discussing today is based on article which focuses on how platelets get activated and gets aggregated. Okay, so there are two diagrams that are shown here. So the first one on the top is about the platelet activation. So it's a representation of how a simple representation of a platelet. So you can see the first step is by when the thrombin, that is the prothrombin, inactive protein becomes thrombin. Thrombin comes and binds with this glycoproteins which are present on the surface of the platelet, right? A resting platelet. At the same time, ADP molecules which are in the extracellular matrix space, they also come and bind with these glycoproteins, and these are not only uh, surface proteins, they are G protein coupled receptors. So when ADPs and thrombins come and bind with it, so it's thrombin is a ligand, but ADP is like an activating molecule. It activates the G protein coupled receptor, and because of that, they tend to change their shape. At the same time, this G protein coupled receptor goes and activates the phospholipase C, that is the gamma enzyme. And because of this, there is a signal transduction pathway that happens, which can form the DAG molecule, that is the diacetyl DAG molecule. And this DAG helps in the thrombus stabilization. And not only that, the DAG which is produced will sort of get secreted and released out of the platelet. And this can cause more than one platelets to get aggregated. So this is how the platelet gets activated and they start, collecting together. But for the collection process, you need these tissue factors as well as factor 3 and even thromboplastin and even factor 7. So they all come together. That is what is shown in the second diagram. So platelet gets activated and they get aggregated, and this is all aided by the phospholipase complex as well as the fibrins. That is, fibrinogen becomes fibrin. The fibrin gets polymerized in this particular area, and that is how the fibrin network strengthens the platelet plug that is formed by this particular stage. So this is what the research article that we'll be focusing today concentrates on platelet activation and